All right. I think everything's working. I believe audio's working. Music's playing. I guess we'll go ahead and start. So, what am I? Welcome. Welcome to the Game Engine stream. Today's Saturday. I'm not streaming on Twitch. I am just recording a video, and then I'm going to upload this video directly to YouTube. So this will be a offline stream. I could have streamed today on Twitch, but the two things. I mean, on the weekends, I don't know. I don't really want to stream too much and mess up my schedule. Like, it's fine. I could do it. I don't know. But the other more important reason is I didn't feel like going online today. And the content that I'm going to work on today is, how do I say? I don't really know how I'm going to fix it. So it might be a lot of me just staring and getting frustrated. So I figure, yeah, let me just do this one offline, get through it, and then I can move on to like more interesting and maybe less annoyance inducing code, right? I don't know, maybe that's content people want to see on Twitch. They want to see me get angry and frustrated over the code, but I don't know. A lot of content nowadays is so angry nowadays. I don't know what's up with that. But no, like the people that come by and come to my streams, like I appreciate everyone that comes by, and they're like generally speaking, everyone's really nice. Like, so no, I like it being like positive. So yeah, enough of that. Let me go ahead and check if I have any updates. Yeah, I don't think I have anything in particular right now. So let me go and open up the progress board and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright. So these are the two things I want to get done today. Realistically, I'm probably only going to get this done today. And even this, I probably won't even get all of it done. I'll see how far along I get. Basically, this stream is going to be me fixing some of the longer standing issues I've had with the text editor and the scripts. Such as like using control D to duplicate code, doing a shift click to select arbitrary lengths of code. That's just things that I always want to do, and it's annoying that I can't in my text editor, so I'll go ahead and fix that. The other thing was control shift spazzing out. So that was like basically like if you do control, is it control shift? Yeah, I think it's control shift and you do like an arrow, like a left to right, up, left to right direction, right? That usually like kind of like takes you word for word, like per word, in the right direction and the left direction, like when you're in text editor. But yeah, there's an issue where it skips the end of the line. I don't know why it does that, so I gotta figure that out. And then the fixing the pasting tab issues, I'll see if I really feel like fixing that. Might not even be that bad. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this. I'll start with the duplicate a line. So let's go to my workspace and go ahead and add that. Duplicate text line with control D. Good one. Next thing is select text region using shift click. All right. The next one is ensure control plus shift plus left/right arrow plus left/right. that will works properly, because that currently is a thing. It just does not work properly. And then maybe add or fix tabbing issues. Pasting text causes tab issues. Yeah, I'll see if I want to fix that. So yeah, let's go ahead and go into the text editor, and you can see what I mean. I'm gonna start using this thing more. It's kind of fun. Pop up over here. I can move myself over to the left corner. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So let's go ahead and just we'll just work inside the test script for now, and then we'll just go from here. So first issue is I can't duplicate lines. So if I do like okay. Yeah, we'll do a string. New string is equal to text plus more text. Right. If I click Control D, it's not duplicated. So let's get that working. Yeah, let's see. I think there's already like a duplicate line function inside the text editor, but I'm not sure. Let's see, duplicates. Oh, not solution. Who wants current documents? See, this now this jumped everywhere. I'm like, well, let me clear this. I'm not doing a lot of this stuff anymore. Okay. Line. Oh, inline. Sure. Dupe. Okay. Line. Let's see what we got here. Text distance to line start. Remove line. Insert line. Probably end up using insert line. Remove line. Yeah, I want to make sure that I use the existing API. Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, I'm just image overloads. Sure. Okay, now we're just in the wrong section. Set text lines. Get text lines. Okay. Get total lines. Okay, so yeah, there's definitely no duplicate line or anything already. So one thing that sounds interesting is insert line, or insert. So just look for, yeah, it was right here. What? Sure. Like I low-key just want to like reorganize this. I don't like how everything's like internal right here. Yeah, low-key. Okay, one thing. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of refactoring just before anything else. I'm gonna do namespace Cardano, and put all of this inside of the Cardano namespace. That'll fix a lot of issues. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of take this code and yeah, kind of just reorganize it to like my style now. Because it's kind of hard for me to parse this, to be honest. What is going on? Huh? Okay. Yeah, there's so much going on where I'm just like, I don't even know. Yeah, like, the first thing is I don't like these like nested classes. It's just confusing to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. What did I do? I don't know why it's throwing an error like this. Okay, so well, I must be deleting this on accident. Okay. Right. Hey, what's up with this error right here? Expecting a declaration. What do you mean? Wait, isn't that the one? Right? Do I not understand namespaces? Hold on. Yeah, is something wrong? Like, no. Expect a declaration. What do you mean expect a declaration? Oh wait, let me see if it's just the linter just doesn't like me. That might be the case. So let me go down here. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't able to find it for a second because it's in the wrong namespace. I'm going to define. Okay, I threw a lot of random code in here, didn't I? Template equals. Sure. No. And then let me go all the way to the end. All that. Okay. Alright, now inside of here, I want to look for Cardano. And yeah, I can literally, actually, yeah. Replace it with nothing, right? So, okay. Yeah. There we go. A lot cleaner. Yeah, I'm just doing a quick refactor because I don't know. I feel like the difference of style is kind of driving me insane. Not gonna lie, because I'm editing it a lot, right? Okay, is this still having an error? Okay, let me see if this compiles. I don't know. I don't know where else the text editor H is like being included into. I think it's included into the place, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, basically I'm gonna take this text, this enum out of the text editor. Well, it's actually just all of these straight up, like we're just gonna get out of here. Yeah, all these language definitions, like, these don't need to be in here. It's just confusing me. Because I'm not sure, like, where one class ends and one class begins, you know? Like, I could figure it out. It's just, like, it's confusing at a glance, you know? I want to be able to just clearly see like, okay, this goes here, this goes here, right? Yeah, yeah, and this is clearly like all the member variables, right? Okay. Yeah, once I'm done with this refactor, yeah, this should be more along the style that I use, and I should be able to like more quickly run through it, you know? Yeah, see even here, like you, oh no, wait, error location. I think I added this. Yeah, but see, this guy uses M location. Interesting. For his structs. It's kind of funny. And then, yeah, I feel like he couldn't agree on it either. Or she. I don't know the gender. The person doing this. Very C style. I might switch these to like using defs. Yeah, yeah, it looks fine. I didn't change any actual functionality, so let me open my text editor. Yeah, it looks fine. All right, so now it's time to do the real refactoring. So this might break some things. I'll see. Yeah, all these structs though do not need to be here. Yeah, like it's like I want to see text editor stuff here. So put these flat right here, and they should be available. Hopefully, enum class, is this just... What's going on? I can't put an enum class here. Or is it just enum? No, it's a class. Okay, yeah, Ledger was just being weird for a second, I don't know. But let's see. Oh yeah, this is like specifically, yeah, no, just use coordinates. The only thing is I might need to rename these to more like, not coordinates, but I might have to be more specific. Or maybe I'll put this in its own namespace, maybe? I don't know. That might be a good idea. Okay, yeah, we have a lot more of these. Yeah, these are like internal states. That's cool. But yeah, no, I'm not. No. Okay, I get the idea. Like he wants to keep certain data private. But I don't really care for that, honestly. Just put it all flat. It makes life simpler. Also, yeah, I'll change these to using because I'm in C++ land, right? Because again, these are all like the things that we're gonna use, right? We'll put these up first, and then here. The main benefit I get from like the way he did it though, or she did it again, I don't know, the way they did it, I guess, is that like you immediately know what the top class is. Like when you enter it, you're like, okay, yeah, that's like the what is it called? Like this is the main class, right? In my version, I kind of have to put this class like below everywhere, so like the main class you have to kind of dig a little bit, but still, I still prefer this. Because yeah, the weird nesting just gets confusing for me. It's like classes inside of classes. What is going on? So I'm assuming just doing that probably made a bunch of errors. So let me go check. Yeah, I did. Because now, yeah, there's a bunch of like text editor resolutions that are messed up now. So text editor replaced with nothing. All right, so got that one. Next. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to do this individually. I can do like find text editor coordinates and replace it with coordinates. Yeah. So I'll just go through and just find those examples. Here we go. Like text editor language definition. Language definition. Let's replace it with just language definition. There we go. Should get rid of quite a few errors. Text editor car. What is going on? Okay. Text editor car. Let's replace it with car, I guess. You might want to take a look at that name. Because, what? Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. Line. Okay, so now we're going to do text editor line. Replace it with just line. Text editor outlets index. Replace it with outlets index. Only one of those, really? Selection mode. Selection mode. Okay. Okay. Now let's place with outlets. All right. All right. What? Undo record, undo. Oh yeah, this is the instructor. Sure. If that's not confusing, I don't know what is. Undo record. Undo record. And I want to be clear too, I'm not talking smack about this guy's like editor. Like this code is great. It's just not like my style. So I'm just trying to switch it over so that everything's consistent. That's like the main thing for me. I don't really care what the style looks like as long as it's consistent. Inaccessible, huh? Probably because it was like an internal class, so I might have to make it like a friend or something. That's a separate issue though. Okay, these ones I can just deal with this right now. Okay, so the main other issue was just that, Yeah, this one had like access to like the editor's internals. So basically I just need to go here and then make it a friend class. Which, yeah, it's not the cleanest thing ever, but whatever. It is what it is. Friend. What's this one called? Undo record. Is undo record a struct or a class? Let's see. It's a class, okay. What was I? Class undo record. There we go. Yeah, why is this weird? Sure. Okay. Alright, so let's see if that runs. I don't know if I threw any errors in. Another thing is cannot deduce type from auto, huh? What are you talking about? And that at start. Interesting. So coordinates. Okay. What's this other error? So build, cancel, try it again. I will bend this code to my will. Hopefully. What is going on? Is it because we're using data inside of the... No, we're inside of an undo record though. Error. Illegal reference to non-static member. Yeah, but we're in a member function, right? Isn't that what this is? Yeah, this is a member function. Oh, wait, hold on. What's going on? Okay, first one. Identifier text editor. Oh, okay, so this one's like unaware of what a text editor is. But this is using a pointer, so that's fine. So we can just do up here somewhere, just do a for def. We'll do a struct text editor. I don't know, the class, right? I believe it's a class, right? Yeah, let's try that again. Yeah, I just had no clue what that was. Oh, nice. So, okay, so it looks like no issues so far with that. Let's see what else. Alright, so a few things that'll kind of make this more like my style, I guess. These structs are fine the way they are. I actually like that. This is implicit 0. I like it being like the first one being defined as 0. It just makes it very clear like what's happening. It doesn't change the functionality at all. I just like to know that first one's 0. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna start messing with like the data and whatnot for these. But thought I was doing so well. Must be a type, huh? Oh, what? Thought I fixed this. Okay, so I have like some straight errors, which interestingly enough. Okay, so text editor marker. I guess they just didn't pop up earlier for some reason. Maybe it was because I had some other errors going on, so it was masking it. Okay, let's try that again. Well, it's a good thing I'm checking it right now. Yeah, I've been meaning to refactor this code because I've been kind of injecting my own code into this quite a bit, and it's low key becoming a mess of like between dude who wrote this code and my version of the code. So yeah, I think once everything's kind of like more along my style, I've kind of looked everything over a bit. It should be easier for me to parse. I don't know what I want to call the namespace though. I don't like having like double nested namespaces or whatever. So I might just call the yeah, I don't know. Because I have like namespaces for like audio versus, you know, like the different ones. Audio, networking, like it kind of makes sense. Maybe I could make the namespace reflect like the name inside of the dependency tree. Right. So if I go to like my actual, because that was one thing that I really liked about the way I did my namespaces. Let me duplicate this really quick. Oh, someone started. Hey, thank you. Let's see. Okay, so I have my dependencies, right? And here I have should be called text editor, right? I don't see it. Yeah, I'm GUI color text edit. Cool. I'm GUI color text edits. GUI color text edit. Yeah, I'm just trying to think of a name for this, like a name in the namespace. Okay. If the reason why I want to put this in like a nested namespace is because I don't want these names clashing with other like when I include this header at other places, I don't want it clashing with other things. So the easiest thing I can do is just add like an additional namespace resolution here. Because the other option would just be like adding like more specifiers to every class, and I don't really feel like doing that. But yeah, it just makes the code a lot more messy too, so I'd rather do this. I just don't know what to call it. I guess I'll do text editor. And then Oh, you know, one thing I could do, I could put this inside of the editor UI namespace. That actually would kind of make sense. Although it doesn't exist here in the code though, so it'd be kind of confusing, like structurally wise. Because again, I like the namespace reflecting the location. Editor UI. Dependencies? Depend? No. I don't know. Naming is tough, man. I could call this like vendor, right? I could put this in like a vendor namespace. Or like dependency, right? And then that way, what is it called? Like, I guess it's clear that it's in the dependency section. I guess. I guess. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I don't know. Hey, you know what? I could put like, what do I call this here? What do I call this here? Dependencies. Yeah. Dependency. Text editor. Yeah, let me leave Cardano for a second. So I don't break anything. I think I have an idea. So I'm going to change this to text editor spec. Kind of a big change. Yeah, this should be fun. Okay, I don't want to change these. Yeah. Comments are fine. And the rest of these are like confirmed, so I'll go ahead and change these. So that's fine. Make sure that didn't break anything. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a namespace called dependency text editor. Yeah. Or I could put it in Cardano dependency. I don't know. Because I put my editor code in the Cardano namespace, right? Yeah, that's tough. I don't know. I'm kind of going back and forth in my head about it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this for now. This is fine. So it is gonna be nested instead of a dependency namespace, and then I'm gonna call it there. That's entirely fine. And everything that's like a dependency could potentially use the dependency namespace depending on how I want to do it, you know? Like if I have to do this type of thing. So yeah, let's go with that for now. Maybe I'll change my mind later. I don't know. But yeah, this is now dependency. There we go. Should fix all that. And now I need to run it. This is going to cause a bunch of errors, so I'll go ahead and deal with those now. The other thing I could do is I could put it into the editor UI, but I don't really want to. And let's see. I could also just straight up bring in the text editor like into like my code if I wanted to. I do link it through the API section, I think. Yeah, you know, wait, I think the dependency namespace doesn't make any sense. I think I should do API. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do API editor UI. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that makes more sense. It's gonna break a few things, that's fine. Over, right, so I gotta go up to here. And yeah, switch to this. Okay, no issues here, that's good. Okay, yeah, that, you know what, yeah, that makes way more sense. That makes way more sense. So now I'm gonna do Cargono. So I'll bring this back. And that's fine. It'll be a little annoying, but, and, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, it makes it a little bit more annoying to deal with this. But, I think the organizational benefits will make a lot more sense. Because now I think it's way more clear that, okay, this is like an API, or this is like a external resource, because that API is kind of like the general term I use for like how I interact with like my dependencies. Maybe I should change that name at some point. I don't know, but it works for now. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is much better because this now lives in the API namespace, which is completely removed from the Cargono namespace. So yeah, these only live here, which is nice. I don't have to worry about my stuff getting messed up. Yeah, so let's see if everything else compiles properly. After this, I'll change all these, probably change all these names to like M underscore, just, I don't know, for consistency sake and whatnot. Some of these functions don't need to be here. Yeah. Oh. API editor UI. Okay, I think this is better too, because I thought I was able to just like randomly grab this was kind of weird. Okay, let's try this again. Now it's more clear. It's like, okay, wait, this is coming from the API, isn't it? Let me go check what this is. It's like, oh, this is inside of here, sure. Yeah, at some point, if I really make this code like really my own, and I really like modify it to the point where like I feel it's ready to be like added into my existing code, I'll just put it directly into my engine. But for now, I do want to keep this separation between dependency and my code like strong for the most part. Like, I think it's fine, and it was just some compiler errors. So yeah, that's a lot more clear now where that's at. All right, cool. So let's head back. All right, and I'm just gonna run through line by line and just go ahead and kind of adjust things to more or less what I like to see. is this? Text editor. Start. Let's see. Why does he use auto everywhere? It's kind of killing me, not gonna lie. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do really quick? Just like, I hate the word auto when it's not necessary. It just makes things confusing. So I'm gonna look for auto around here. Let me just evaluate to language def. That's kind of confusing. M language def dot. Wait, what is this? Token strings. Token regex string. A token regex string. Yeah, it's a vector of token regex strings, which is an STD pair. Yeah. So I think it's language. Wait, what? He's doing the. Okay. Wait. Okay, he's doing that thing again where he just like he nests types in here. Let me remove this. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. So keep looking for auto. Yeah, like this is unnecessary. Like just make it a coordinate and line. Is an int, right? So why make it harder to read, you know? Like this one I will say is like code that I would objectively say, I don't like the auto keyword. Like this is an improvement. Like I feel like it's overused. Like I get the time and place for auto in certain cases, but this is not one of them. This is supposed to be const, that's why. It's fine. I'll just make it const. Yeah, see, and it auto hides const sometimes too. That's kind of weird. This is an int. An int. What is this? A const line. Okay. So a const line. This is an int. Int. Right, there we go. I don't want to mess with the types too much because I might break something. But I don't fully understand the code. Some of the code does go over my head, not gonna lie. I mean, that's the main reason why I'm doing this refactor real quick. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. This is a glyph. Okay, so a glyph. And I'm assuming it's a const glyph. Or wait, no, it's a line. Yeah. And it's const because this is a... Oh, okay, actually, I don't know why it's const. Does it really need to be const? I guess. it returns an int. This doesn't need to be a const, right? Yeah, I was about to say it's a vector, doesn't it? I was like, what? I was like, what is going on there? Okay. There's a line. There's a line as well. I think we're modifying it. Okay, it's a line. This is a, what is this? Int. Okay, so this is a like an at call. So M line is an at. Okay, I think the at does reflect constness. Okay. Sure, why not? As D is an int. I want these. Like, it's like a math thing where like you want to have like really concise variables, but in coding, I feel like it just makes things confusing. Do an at call inside of the thing, that's why it's const. Interesting. Like C index, I can kind of figure out. Yeah. What is this? A palette index? Index. So a palette is just a it's just an enum, right? C is a car. I really don't get the usage of car though. I might get rid of that honestly. It's a line. It's a const line. Yeah. Let's see. Const line. This is an int. I'm a huge fan of using these indexes like this. I'm assuming maybe he has like null with like the -1 state. Why not? Or was using an int. And this is a palette. This is a car. Yeah, and cars, I don't know. They're very odd to me. Am I just at the beginning? Okay, this is gonna take a while, isn't it? Alright, so, I guess so. I guess this will take a while. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and, maybe commit after this, I don't know. I'm assuming it's a const line, yeah. This is an int. Line. And it's a const, this is the at. Let me compile this while it, to make sure I didn't throw any bugs in just now. This one is a const line, I guess. What if there's like an automatic way to just remove all of the autos? Wait, no. Yeah, what is the thing? Remove auto in Visual Studio. Remove the ++ auto, is that a thing? Okay, there's no idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, I guess that would be kind of a reach, wouldn't it be? This is like a, okay. Maybe what's wrong? Reference? What is this? Which is a vector of lines. Also, did we need the type def for this? Like, wait. Okay, I get a vector of glyphs as a line, sure. But yeah, but this one's even necessary. Like, I don't mind writing out SD vector of line for lines. Okay, so this is a const line, I guess. So const line. This is a car, interesting enough. Yeah, this is going to take quite a minute. But yeah, once I resolve all these, then it should be really easy to do like a control F on it. And just do a find and replace. So const line. Okay. Wait, is it const? Yeah. Const line. I mean, I guess the type def for line is fine. For lines. I suppose it's fine. I'll leave it. I should enjoy using, but other than that, I'll probably leave it alone. Okay, this one's a pair. See, here I would just use a structured binding, right? Like auto reference, and then I would do like, because what is it? Error markers are type def for an error marker, which is a int and then an error marker. Location marker. Right, and then I first is just going to be location. And I always feel like the first and second, like, for this is always kind of weird. Hopefully I don't break anything with this. Yeah, I don't know, that's just easier for me to read. Just little things like that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not trying to rewrite all of this code, honestly. Like, that's gonna take way too long. Just trying to make it more clear. Breakpoints, I guess. It's an unordered set. Oh, so this one actually, it literally is this. So, wait. A set of what? Of ints. Okay, so it's an int. Iteration. Just Wait, is it iteration? Breakpoint. Location. I'll say location instead. There we go. It's fine. Okay, better. Okay, so again, this one is error markers, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. Oh, first and second thing is kind of killing me. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Location. There we go. And the second is just the marker itself. There we go. Yeah, just kind of, I don't know, the previous version just makes it unnecessarily confusing. Right, like, it's an int. There you go. And yeah, this gets like pulled out, like its white space doesn't matter. Like probably removes it anyway, so there we go. SD move on a BTP. I'm assuming BTP is a heap allocated thing, so that's why this works. Yeah, I guess so. Line reference? Line reference. Okay. Again with this first and second stuff. Blame me. Yeah, I guess this whole stream is gonna be me refactoring this factoring this code. Hopefully not, let's see. Okay, then I first, no. And then this one's gonna be marker. There we go. This is int. I is confusing. Location. I just like my, there we go. Okay. Okay, so this one's my bad. I'm the one who did this. Bad me. Okay, that's not good. So yeah, do that. Or maybe not. Because I'm in the wrong section. Wait, what? Yeah, here's what I should have. Okay, good. This one's coordinates. Yeah, I'm assuming this is returning a, yeah. All right. Coordinates. Coordinates are, this term is, man, hints. Okay, so here we have an iterator. This is one of the few times I'd say like an oh, this is an int. Never mind. But it'd be like, if it's an iterator, then yeah, I kind of get the auto. Because yeah, the definitions for those are weird. Why is there a const after the thing? What's going on? What? Does this need to be a... Wait, is it... What? Huh? Hold on, wait, let me put this auto back. See what's going on here. Oh, it's IMU32. Okay, so... IMU32? Yes? Is he doing a using on IMGUI here? That's another thing. I'm like, okay, I guess it makes the code more concise. I'll leave it alone. Looking for auto. PP color. Okay. It's not a reference or anything. It's not like we're gonna change it. It doesn't need to be constant. IMU32. Sure. Why not? Any more autos? Oh, he put ints here. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay, this one's a bool. This one is a... Did I do this? I don't know if I did this. Like I did. My bad. I don't think I did, though. Yeah, oh, that's not me. Okay. Let's see what this is. I am white car. Yeah, there's some type of like using definition that he's doing for I'm GUI. I'm gonna remove that because I'd like to know which ones are I'm GUI and which ones are not. Okay. Look at barely. Oh my god, I'm seeing all these. Okay. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel here, just... Is there more autos up here? What's going on here? Oh yeah, there's like a million autos. Holy crap. Okay. I am Vec 4. I am Vec 4. I am Vec 2. Oh yeah, I am Drugs should not be like just available. That's ridiculous. Just turns a pointer. Okay. Never use it, sure. Floats. Yeah, all these autos, I just have like no idea what's going on. I could figure it out, but it's just like, bro, why? And then we're using this like for here too, so I don't know. Or well, I guess I don't know. Is I am Vec 2? Is this instead of like a namespace or something? Wait, does that really just like make you like it just kind of loads your namespace with a bunch of stuff? It's kind of annoying. It does. Okay. Well, okay. I guess that's fine then. I didn't know that. Okay, this is not gonna be a constant line. This is gonna be a line because we're gonna edit it. Column number is int. Start is an IMVec2. Is it me writing this code? I can't remember which ones are me and which ones not me. IMVec2. Might be me. Is an iterator, I guess? Oh. Not find. Okay, well, this is an iterator. This is the one time I actually like to leave that alone. Those types are weird. Error location? Location. There we go. Oops. Long. That's what type. Unsigned long. I could, how do I say? Change this to like a UNT64T, but that might mess with the type, like the way it treats it. So I don't even want to risk that right now. I just want to get this auto thing working. Votes, there we go. Wait, what? I am U32. I am U32. A glyph, sure. I am U32. I am U32. I am Vec2. I am Vec2. So float. So const float, is that the theories? I guess it's fine. Const is not hurting anyone. Might actually be more descriptive, but I have a weak lady, though you didn't really care. Yeah, it's just a float. Like, what? ID is an SH string. There we go. It's an iterator, leave that alone. Article. Coordinates. Contact is just a line. Okay, well I'm making progress though. Like, I definitely am. We're getting. I think we're like a third through. If I can power through, that'd be good. As a car pointer. Sure. Coordinates. Ints. Constants. Interesting. Unsigned long. It says size T. Let's make it a size T. Coordinates. Okay. Kind of running through it. Looks like towards the end it's not so bad, like it's kind of like more sparse, I guess. I can probably cover more ground faster. Yeah, and I'm taking this fairly seriously because I do plan on doing some pretty big refactors of this later on. And I want to make sure that I understand what's going on for the most part. I don't want to be coming in and always like dreading dealing with this. What is it called? Dreading dealing with this. How do you say? This editor or whatever, right? I want to make sure that I'm able to work with it and it's not too bad of a process. It's not the worst. It's just, again, it's like an amalgamation of styles right now, which I don't like. But there are certain different things that the way this person wrote this code, it's very similar to mine. Like his style for writing these variables and everything is very similar to mine. He does a very similar like naming conventions for the function definitions and whatnot. He even uses the M underscore, which is like similar to mine. That's kind of interesting. Oh, we'll use the M but not the underscore, so I'll change that. But still fairly close, you know? Interesting. So, pause, coordinates. How heavy is this anyways? A lot of overloads. Where was the... Okay, so with the... Yeah, I guess that's the struct for the data at the top. Just a lot of operator overloads. I suppose. Spark and any. Alright, there we go. Line. I'm determined I will finish this. Okay, this again. Okay. So yeah, no, we're gonna do location and marker. I think that's what it was. So then here. Yeah, just leave that alone. A lot of repeated code for this, huh? I can't blame them though. I do that a lot too. Yeah, I feel like once I kind of like understand the structure and how like things are called in different contexts, then this will make a lot more sense to me. Yep. Alright. It's a const car pointer. Interesting. Ooh, okay. Int. The const iterator, I guess. Sure. How far am I getting? Okay, I'm almost 2/3. Almost 2/3. Oh, it's bad. This one's my bad. Argon, editor, UI, script. Wait, I don't know where I got. Now I'm confused. Tokens. Script token. Yeah, a bit ridiculous that this code is in here. It should not be here. So that's my bad. Our pointer. There we go. So we're doing like a first and second thing here. Yeah, so no. Regex list. It's a regex and a palette index. Interesting. Regex and palette index. I spelled that right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Regex. Wait, what? What did I do? I think I did something wrong. B dot first. Oh, this is a different one. Okay. What is this? Returns a what? C match. SD C match. C match. Wait, is it? Wait, hold on. What is this? It's a vector of C match. And you get an iterator at the beginning. Okay, so this is like an iterator. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'll leave this alone then. The only one that needs to change is its palette index. This one I kind of get. Oh wait, maybe I could do a structured binding. I don't know. Lava. No, I can't. Okay, I guess not. Alright, well, I'll leave it alone. Oh my god. Okay. Size T. What do we do with STD size T? This is an int. This is a size T. This is an int. What a line of variables. Okay, let's do loved auto. Holy. Okay. Oh, this is a functor. Okay, I'll leave it alone. This is an iterator. I'll leave that alone as well. Those names get wild. Yeah, I'm not a monster. I will admit when I'm defeated. I'm not doing that. Alright, const line, I guess. This is an int. Is this const? It is const, yeah. Int. Ooh, okay. What a refactor. Right. Okay. There we go. Okay, getting through it. Yeah, and then we have these like local functions. These are interesting. I should take a look at these later. See what's going on. See, I don't know why they're local. They don't really need to be. Const car pointer. Const reference. Const car pointer. With that. Right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with there. What's up with the double consts? Yeah, I guess I'll do the const. Might throw some errors if I don't, maybe? I don't know. I always get confused by these like forward and back const type of things. Yeah, I see like sometimes he did it and sometimes he's just like, you know what, I don't think. I suppose so. Check something really quick. Ooh, okay, I'm almost done. Okay. Good. I was gonna be scared that was gonna take a lot longer. So after this, I'm gonna refactor the header file so it makes more sense. After that, I think I'll probably just push the code and then take a second. But again, I just want to make sure that, like, going into adding these new features, that I have a bit more of an understanding of the current code, and then I can kind of wield it better. And the first part of understanding code is organizing the header file. Our response. I do love that this is just one implementation file though. I'm just locking in really quick, trying to get this done as fast as possible. Okay, what is... Okay, no, this is fine. This is not fine. And that is me. This one's fine, though. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell this is my code, because this is the kind of thing I do. Did I make it? Okay, now let me pray I didn't break anything. After this, I'll get to the header file. I'll go ahead and organize it a bit more. And then I'll go from there. Okay. So yeah, there we go. Got rid of a lot of these autos. That's good. Okay, that's good. Let's head up here. And all right, so first thing I'm gonna do, yeah, is just rename some of these things. So underscore, let's go ahead and find our references. A.start M line. Yeah, that's not okay, well these are all in here, right? In text editor.cpp. So it might be actually be a good idea to just go ahead and swap these out, like all together at once. Yeah, I might do that. Text editor.h, yeah, I might change all these as well. The comments though, I gotta see. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Enabled. That's pretty easy. Temp condition. Trying to see if there's anything I want to do here. I guess we're fine. So argument line. Oh, he understood. Okay. Yeah, sure. Why not? I don't really care for being that pedantic about it. Okay, M declaration. And might as well be consistent, right? So. Oh god, this one might be. Okay, yeah, so script compiler. Yeah, no. No. Yeah, leave GUI internal alone. Yeah, these can stay the same. Unconfirmed references. What is this? No. Although I kind of agree with that. I don't want to mess with that right now. So script compiler, leave it alone. Yeah, token parser, text editor I want to change for sure. Text editor panel. Yeah, I think I will change these. GUI internally to stay the same. Yeah, leave GUI alone. Text editor, text editor. All right, I think we're good. Yeah. Okay. No, this one's gonna be annoying as well. Yeah, at one point I think I'll just have like a stream where I just straight up fix all the namings for all my stuff. Yeah, for now I'll leave one. Okay, yeah, you're doing way too much. Holy crap. No. No. Leave B2 alone. Yeah, length is just used literally everywhere, so yeah, this might take a second. These are inactive, huh? What is this? In true type? No, leave it alone. Oh, yeah, no. So yeah, I can tell these are the ones made by me because of the way I typed them. Yeah, these names have a lot of collisions. Yeah. It's a big no on all these. Second, text editor. Tooltip message. Oh, right, we use it here. Sure. Okay, yeah. They were good here. There we go. All right. All right, that's been a good few things. Let me do using regex list is equal to this. Okay, let's just see if that does anything. I might run through and just switch all these type types to using definitions. I'm calling that. All right, token. What is this token? Oh yeah, yeah. I gotta fix that so I have data has the m underscore in all cases. It'll be better. Let's see. Yeah, must have replaced a few of these on accident. But yeah, this code really should not be here in the first place, though. Oh, text editor panel. Yeah. Once I make like a straight up script editor panel, then I'll have this more explicitly in here. But yeah, I have a weird bit of code. regex list, huh? Interesting. M underscore for this. Should be pretty clear cut. Yeah, what to say. I don't see that being like misconstrued as anything else. Where's this one? Yeah, I suppose so. All right. Yeah, he has this like argument thing. Just start. I don't know, it just kind of bothers me. I literally do not need to do this. Okay. So underscore added. So I was just asking if I want to put this in the comments. Yeah, sure. Okay, once I finish this pass, I'm gonna come back and do another pass where I like add more like section labels for everything, so everything's kind of like organized a bit better. And then once the section labels are done, then I think I'll stop with the refactor from there. And then I'll go ahead and start adding in the new features. I just want to make sure everything was super clear. And uses my style. Let's see. Now we're good. Yeah, I think the guy who made this text editor, I think, stopped supporting it at some point. So I think at this point I have essentially free reign to just go ahead and modify it. Why? Why? No, we're not doing this. String, just put an SD string. It's like not helpful. Also this one as well, like car. Let me go deal with that. Yeah, just make it uint 8 underscore t. Everywhere you have string, just use. We don't need a redefinition of string. Especially since I think in a lot of cases they do use. I think he does use SD string, so it's like, I'll just make it less complicated, you know. Alright, so I guess I broke my entire thing. Oh, crazy. Let's see the first part. So this is a uint 8 underscore t. I guess that fixed everything. Well, okay, sure. Or in this case, like, why you just, I don't know. Like, you could literally just use a car here, so, you know. Interesting. Yeah. Does he use string anywhere, actually? I don't know. Int 8 underscore t. empty. Okay, almost done replacing this. All right. Okay, this one, AU definition makes sense. Identifiers equal to this. Yeah, you like that. This one's going to be keywords. Keywords. Oh, wait, no. Goes here. Like keywords. This is a personal preference kind of type of thing here. Like specifically, I just like using if I have the option. All right. Using break points. For car. Wait, what? What is this? Okay. Just gonna do this. Is it one? Just do true, I guess. True and true. There we go. I guess I'll just do car. Directive. Director. Color index. Okay. Yeah, using line is equal to vector glyphs. I get that. The lines thing, I don't know, but I guess I'll just go ahead and go with it. Okay, so using token regex string equal to this. Using this one, it's just a vector of this. And we have this like function pointer callback thing going on, I guess. Type def bool something. Okay, what's going on here? It takes in those parameters. I guess there's not much I can do about this one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one alone. Let's see. Okay, I get this for the most part. It's not too bad. Alright, so we got these static functions though. Which I'm like, they belong in the struct? That's kind of like a weird situation thing. I don't know. I'll think about that. Okay, now we're finally at the text editor. Nice. So this should be fun. We'll go through each one of these. I'll get into organizing the functions in a second. Can I get all the confirmed links? Yes. So end states. Oh yeah, and here is where I really want to like understand what's going on. There's a lot of booleans. I feel like these bools could probably get turned into flags, maybe. I might do that. I think it would cut down on a lot of this, these variables. I don't even really care about the memory footprint this thing. Like, it's not that bad. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of booleans, but it's an editor thing. It's fine. It's fine. But I think organizing in like a set of flags would just also make it much more easy to understand like what goes where. Like, oh, okay, this is just a list of flags. This is like different options. Sure, right? Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, and colorizer enabled, and text starts. Quite a bit of these, okay. I don't love of doing this. Yeah, there we go. I get that they go together. I mean, maybe I'll do like a vector 2, maybe? In this case. Alright, insert integer vector 2, whatever that's called. And also I might have, I don't know, I might change like kind of like the input model for this to not do polling every frame and work more specifically with my engine, since, you know, this is now essentially getting mine. I'm gonna be okay, so now these ones, okay, cool. So cool. Okay, at least there is a good separation between like public and private, so that's good. And car advance. Did I add that? I don't think I did. Yeah. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, so yeah, I haven't done much of anything, but what I have done is kind of like, yeah, like rename stuff so it's more consistent. So there's another layer I'm gonna do, and this one's gonna be like where I actually start understanding things. Is I'm gonna start like sectioning these into like sections, I guess, right? And that way, how do I say? I can kind of like see like, okay, what is the functionality that's available, and then what does what, right? And then what gets called where, right? So, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that in a second. Like this one, inline. Like, I don't like this. I don't like this as like the here. What I'm gonna do is static, is it const? Wait, let me find somewhere where I do k underscore in this. Actually, let me do it. Thank k underscore. See how I define this. It's like this. You find another one. Maybe like invalid index. I use these in different places. Yeah, here we go. This is what I want. All right. So this is for a int, right? So we'll do it int this time, even though I don't really agree with using ints. Or actually, no, -1. Right, and then let's take k invalid line index. Yeah, I just don't like the magic numbers everywhere. Interesting. Okay, wait, M column is still this. What? How did I fix this? Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, let me go ahead and run this, see if it still runs. Oh, yes, int. Not bad. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. I might grab a little bite. Something to eat. Okay, well, let me do this something real quick, and then I might just end the stream after this. And then I'll just like maybe I'll come back on later since I'm doing like a offline stream and kind of break it up a bit. It shouldn't be too much of an issue. Yeah, it actually makes it more manageable to edit as well. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go into one of these, wherever I do this type of thing. Here we go. Let's go ahead and start naming these things. So I'll say, supporting, classes. Class. Okay. All right. Structure. These structures. All right. This can go online. It's not really much of an issue. I think like that makes it more confusing. There we go. I don't remember how I treat some of these structs here. Let me go take a look. Yeah, most of these structs I just kind of leave them alone. So yeah, I'll just do that. So I'll say constructors, destructors, and I'll say invalid is interesting. Overloads. Struct fields. I know anyone who's like fairly familiar with like how these things are organized will be like, duh. But for me, it makes it a lot easier to kind of like be like, okay, especially when this gets much more complex, this makes it a lot easier to kind of parse this stuff. Like, okay, there's only constructors and like structs here, right? When it gets really complex, you like this becomes invaluable to me. Line. Column. Okay. Oh yeah, and then this one is now line, and this one's now column, and this one's not column. Okay, so now I'm wondering, do I want to take this function and move it? Because nowadays I'm not a huge fan of having static functions inside of my structs. I don't like that. Member functions make sense for me, but static functions I feel like should just exist somewhere else. I might just make like a straight up separate thing. I'm gonna call it like text editor service. Text, yeah, like class text editor service. And then make it public, of course, it's classes, right? And then here I'm gonna say invalid coordinate. That's invalid coordinate. Okay. I suppose it's gonna be static. I don't know. Does it really matter? I mean, just wait. What? Oh, I got confused. I was like, wait, what's going on here? Wait, why don't we just return a right. Because you're still doing a construction regardless, right? So it's not like it's like a huge performance benefit to like make it static there. So yeah. And also a invalid index. Invalid index. There we go. A invalid index. There we go. Alright, and that should break a few things, I believe. Let me go check in the CP file really quick. Okay, the laser defined in the header file. Here we go. Okay. Let's see where I use invalid. Wait, is invalid never used? Are you kidding me? What was the point of that function then? Alright, well, sure, whatever. Or maybe the linter is just not catching up. But yeah, anyways, yeah, again, I just don't love having static functions here. So I'd rather just be member functions, if anything. Yeah, I'm only going to do this definition thing if there's like multiple things in the struct. If it's just the data, I'm going to leave it alone. Here, yeah. should make a distinction. So this is constructors slash destructors. And you can easily just push your eyes down and be like, okay, now this is the, actually no, this would be the struct fields. Right. And then here would be the undo slash redo action options. Yeah, so it's actually like does a thing. That's cool. So this is how we store the oh, and then we take it in an editor state. An editor state is interesting. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I kind of like that. That's good. Wait, I never fixed this. Good thing I'm checking. I got holes in my stuff. I'll just go ahead and toss them together. Just because I'm kind of lazy. Okay, and again, here, right, like this. I don't think this should be here. It should go in the service. Like, I get, like, the organizational aspect of it, but, I don't know, I just don't love that. Yeah, we just don't have a function, that's fine. Okay, come on, so we turn a reference to this. I don't know if I have any other static functions here. Everything else here is like a member function, so that's cool. So then now I can organize this a bit better. So this is query invalid states. Right. This one is it's a language definition. Generate different language definitions. There we go. Nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I think for me that makes everything make way more sense. We have a glyph, right? We have a language definition, right? And it has these things. I might add a few comments separating things, like I don't know, just different comments and whatnot. But other than that, like, it's pretty good. It kind of makes sense in my mind now.
You're now listening to Dream Station.
All right, so a few things, right? So I'm sure a bunch of things are broken now. Yeah, a bunch of things are broken. So it's in language definition originally. So that is, yeah, see, this is why I make the separation, because this is confusing. That, like, why is the language definition holding this? You know, should be well, for my sanity, it's editor service. There you go. And then it's like, oh, okay, we have like a general service or a general like class that handles like, or even for this one, this could literally just be like a straight up class called generate language, right? And then that will just generate languages. Actually, I might just do that instead of this service thing. The service is kind of like my catch-all thing that I just use in general. Okay, this makes a lot more sense for me. Yeah, I might move this into its own class. But eh. Alright, so now the language definition doesn't do any of that anymore. It just holds language definition stuff. Okay, it's member. Its own data. And here is where I'm gonna do like a lot of the organization. So I'm gonna do construction dust destruction, sure. And for now I'm gonna do external functionality. API functionality. Garbage. Okay, let's see. And then internal functionality. Right. And then here I'm gonna do another like divider. I know that doesn't actually do anything here, but internal data fields. I guess we have a comment here. It's interesting. Okay, and it's and then and declarations. Say main text editor spec class. And I'll say internal service. Right. Okay, so now the big the big job now is just going to be organizing this, and this is where I'm going to actually understand things. So okay, see here, get default color palette. Where's this palette defined? I don't like that. I don't like how that's internally defined. So yeah, let me get rid of this. Move it over a bit. Move this down to here. Static palette. Generate color palettes. There we go. And then that's gonna throw some errors, I believe. go here. So we got an error up here because, yeah, so we're gonna do script, no, not script, text editor service. Okay, and then we're gonna go down here. There we go. Palette, huh? Yeah, we don't need S palette here actually. I mean, we literally could just do this, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, we're passing a reference back. Okay, yeah. Well, I can bring this internal. I can make this internal then. It's fine. And then just go ahead and return it. That's fine. Okay, organizationally that makes more sense. All right, colorize, process inputs. Okay, so render, I think it should go up top. I'm gonna say on events functions. Where's this text editor, render, text editor? Render. Okay, so there's two render functions, I guess. Render. There it is. So this is an internal. That should be fun. Oh god, wait, I can already kind of see why this thing's taking forever. He's probably looking through the whole engine. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, just leave the comments alone. Yeah, if I leave the comments alone, we're actually pretty good. Yeah, render internal. On update? I'll say on update. So that might take a second. Yeah, don't do any of that. Yeah, that has nothing to do with that. does no one update? On render editor, or what do I call that? I think I have it named a similar thing. On editor UI render, that's what it's called. On editor UI render. Okay. Leave all those alone. Okay, there we go. Okay, easy. Nice. And let me put this up into the top. All right. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna copy this. Manage text editor state. So set language definition. Sure. By extension. Hey, what is this? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Get palette. So what does set palette do? Query text editor internal state. Get palette sets markers. Clear markers, yep. Set breakpoints. Set text. Okay. I don't think it really matters like how you organize this, as long as there is some organization, you know? Like, that's kind of the main thing. That text lines. Get text lines. Like, I might have to like redo distinction in a second. But I'll see. Get text. Get current line text. How about instead of get total lines, how about get line count? Get line count. There we go. I like that better. Is overwrite. Set read only. Is read only. Is text changed? And I might even say like, might make a distinction here and say maybe query flags, and then move these into their own thing. There we go. Because these kind of deserve their own section. And I'll say like manage flags maybe. Manage text editor flags, right? Why is it inline? What's the point of having this inline? The member functions, like. I'm just trying to understand, but I don't get it. Actually, yeah. What is the point of having this inline? They're not static or anything, and they're part of the class. They're already kind of like behave that way. Like I get if these were like free floating methods, then yeah, I would understand. But yeah, I don't get that. Yeah, and I might switch over to using flags because I think flags are, it's much more clear like what they are supposed to be. Like instead of just being like random booleans, because booleans can be used for a lot of different things, but flags are usually only used for some type of like internal state. Set cursor position. Okay, so these ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna chuck this into the get current state, but then I'll go. I might organize this a bit more. Second. Set current position. Okay, and these ones are querying. Yeah. There we go. So set tab size. This one goes up here. Get tab size. It's just a general querying state. So yeah, I'm definitely going to like section this into like more things. Insert text. Okay, let me clear these. Okay, that's already like way more manageable, honestly. So you can clearly see like, okay, this is the function you call when you want to like render, right? And then these are the like manage internal state. These are the flags, and you want to like have different flags. Yeah, and then once this is organized, I think it'll make a lot more sense. And then maybe I'll take a look into like what are these different things called and whatnot, and I might turn this big chunk of stuff into just flags instead of just being like a big thing of booleans. Yeah, take some of these, turn these into vectors and whatnot. Okay, let me keep going. So insert text. Insert text. I'm gonna say it's like manage editor state. Yeah, I will probably put this into its own section, but for now I'm gonna put it into manage editor state. Actually, maybe it's a good call to just put this in its own section right now. So I'll say interact with cursor. And I might put this one higher actually. Yeah, I think it'd be up top actually, because this is kind of something you would want to like see immediately. Like, oh yeah, how do I mess with the cursor? There you go. You know. Can undo. Okay, so these two, I would say, are query state type of things. Or like they should be stored as flags. I would put these like right here. So all of these are sort of like a very specific thing. Cursor. These are like the clipboard and modification functions. Clipboard and other modification functions, yep. Then these ones, I guys gotta sort them out. So I'm not even sure where these go. That's selection start, set selection end. Selection. Okay, I'm gonna say these just go in the general section for now. I'll let sorted out. Okay, select all. Select all. I think should go in. Well, no, yeah, because it goes with the selection. Yeah. Ooh, but I will probably use that when I'm this is why I'm organizing this, so now like I can kind of see what goes with what works with what. Has selection. This is more like a query state type of thing. Close suggestions. Set save callback. I say manage state, I guess. Select word under cursor. There's another select thing. And then close suggestions. I think that's like a manage general state kind of thing, maybe? I don't know. Okay, I'll go there for now. I'm gonna organize this a bit more. Select text. In editor. There we go. I think set cursor position might go with this one. Maybe we insert text. Modify text. and clipboard functions. Yeah. Set palettes, definition, set error markers, clear error markers. Oh, you know what? I'll make a separate one just for the errors. Manage errors and breakpoints. So I'll have one just for this. Set text lines, huh? I'm assuming this is like modify the text then. I'll put this down here. Set read only. Is this? Oh, you know what? This just is a flag. Set palettes more of a general thing. Set save callback, set language definition, set extension, get language definition. In internal state. Okay, I might sort this, I'll see. Because I might try to see like what they do. But yeah. Okay. So this makes my life so much easier. And again, I might turn this into flags. I don't think I'm gonna bother right now. It's not that pressing, to be honest. Basic, huh? Let me say numbers. Top size. I'll say flags. Float text starts. I'll say this is like a style thing. I'll say text data. Left margin. Yeah. Okay. I'll put it down here. Like something like this. What's up with the end start time? I know we're restoring time here. And language definition. Regex list. I'm just gonna say other for now, because I don't feel like sorting it. Okay, I might sort this, maybe. But you know what? I think this is good for now. So I think I took, wait, how many hours? Like 3 hours just cleaning up the text editor. But I think it was worth it because I can actually now read this. Not like a complete mess. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, the static functions are in one place, so I'm not like getting confused by that. Member data kind of makes more sense. But the main thing is these functions are now organized, which is really nice. Alright, so let's see if this runs. I'll go ahead and push this code, and I might just stop the stream here. I might go eat something, and I'll come back. Lots of errors. What's going on? Language definition has C for some reason? No, it does not have C. Text editor service. Yeah, you know what? I might make this language. Well, whatever. It's fine. Maybe I'll rename this to because C kind of makes no sense. Generate C. Oh god, no, that's plus plus. Oh god. Generate HLSL. Yeah, no, it is HLSL, that's fine. Generate VLSL. Generate C. Yeah, I don't want any of this. Nope. Just do that, it's fine. So, generates what is this again? Angel script. I think I can do without. Fine. I can see myself using Lua or maybe one of these, but Angel script. I don't know. I already kind of have my own little language going on. And I guess if I really need it, I can come back to get it. Generates AG script. Okay. Nice. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more I could do with this. A lot more. But, I think this is good enough where, like, I can kind of, like, start figuring out what I want to do. Actually do the thing I was supposed to do today. Service. Let's try this again. Editor service. Yeah, there's a letter here. Yeah, save. Alright, there we go. Nice. Alright, so let me go ahead and save this. Alright, I'm gonna assume that's like... Because yeah, whenever I get these like random heap issues, it's usually because of I need to rebuild the solution. Let me go ahead and retry it. Because you had this, the shared pointers having issues. I don't know what's up with that. Alright, I'll be right back. Like a few minutes. All right, let's see this compiled. Oh, did nice. All right, so again, if I don't have any heap issues or anything, and I close, that should be fine. So let's go and open this. All right, nice. Let's open up the text editor, try to close it, and see what happens. All right, cool. Yeah, so that was just like a weird random bug. But no, we're good. All right. I mean, realistically, all I did was reorganize the text editor. I mean, I guess I can get more granular about it. Refactor text editor. Text editor. Text editor. Text editor. To match engine style. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, literally all I did. I mean, I did a lot to do that, but that's all I did. The whole thing's different. Well, yeah, good. Yeah, that diff might take a while. All right, cool. All right, so didn't quite get any of this done yet, but I kind of like put myself in a position where doing this should be a lot easier now. So next stream, hopefully I'll come back later today, and I'll be able to get the stuff done a lot faster. Yeah, I didn't modify any game code. Progress board is exactly the same. And yeah. So I can't guarantee if I'll stream again this weekend. Or I'm not even streaming, I'm just recording a video. But hopefully I'll come back in like an hour or so. But yeah, I'll post this on YouTube pretty soon. So yeah, if you're on YouTube, hope you have a good day. Hope I post another video soon so you guys can get it. I don't know if anyone's watching anyways, but I appreciate the people that are watching. Yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for today, for this stream. So later.